All right guys, we got some new lights on the Dualtron Thunder. Let me show you these real quick. Turn on the battery, and then they move. Is it useful? I don't know, but it's pretty damn cool. Let's go take it out on a ride. It's raining and wet. Shit. I guess we are gonna review something else. Damn. All right guys, it is wet and rain outside, so we are not gonna be reviewing this. So what should we review instead? This thing? This is a silly 5-wheeler, some kind of mix between a 1-wheel and electric unicycle. 4 wheels inside, they light up. How cool is that? Do your wheels light up? Probably not. Sketchy. This is incredible. I don't know what this 5-wheeler thing is. Got it from a friend, but this is clearly not the future, but maybe a fun toy for your garage. It's so wide that you can just stop in place. And it gets very angry at me. So. It's not very happy with me. It's got this convenient tow handle. It's got a fender for the rain. Is it the ultimate PEV? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. We're gonna ride this thing around the warehouse a bit. Here we go. Whoa. Hey Zach, you wanna try my new ride? Incredible. Tricks. All right guys, that's all we got for this episode on this 5-wheeler thing. I'll see you all next time.